All right, everybody, we got the Slantnose back in the shop. This time we're gonna drive it. Last time we had it in here, we got to move it under its own power. But this time we're gonna get this beast on the road. And by we, I mean me and Logan, because Ryan isn't here. Okay, so the last time when we drove this, one of the big things we ran into was some tire clearance issues. So we put it on the alignment rack, used the bearing plates, it all sitting on its wheels, and we can turn the wheel and see where it's hitting. I think that might be it.
Well, there's a lot of things it's close to. This tab is close, but
so in the front, it's hitting on the radiators. We expected that might happen. Fortunately, with the extra wide bodywork, we got lots of room to move that radiator. And on this side, we're hitting right there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, we got lots of room there. All right, so our driver's seat has some broken and missing pieces. We happen to have a seat that we took out of a car that we replaced, so we're gonna see if we've got any potential to swap some stuff out from one to the other.
Seat heater maybe?
That's what I'm thinking, and did that, which wouldn't be that critical.
I don't know, it's getting a little cold out.
That's true. Temperature's dropping here in PA. We might want the seat heater now. So somebody pirated the seatbelt buckle, the buckle off of this and clipped the wires for some reason. Power cable for going from the motor to the transmission, the seat back and forth, is completely missing from this. So again, not sure what they were doing, but at least this has a motor, so we can fix that, which was our big problem anyway, because currently the seat is all the way forward, which puts you about here when you're trying to drive.
Here's Ryan! So what we want to do is extend this bracket right here. So this can rotate out a little bit further. This is what holds the radiator in place to give some more room for the wheel. And then after we extend this, I'm going to slot it, figure out the distance that we need to then extend this, or I'll cut and weld it. And it should all kind of fall into place here. But first, let's make a new bracket for the bottom. Also, I was missing because I had to get my wisdom teeth out, and I'm still recovering. So don't mind me if I sound really weird, because they yoinked my teeth, and they didn't even give me the quarters in the, like, as whatever recompense for it. So just shattered dreams. Everything's a lie. Plasma cutter. Plasma cutter has been affixed to the vertical plane of the arc droid. Both concentric hooks have been tightened down. Water. Here's 750. Ugh. 1200. That's much cleaner. We'll see now if we put it up to like maybe like 1600 maybe?
Yeah.
1500? Try 1500. Clampeth Maximus. There you go. Yeah,
But
so,
yes,
yeah, but regardless.
I think so. What's our vector, Victor?
What's our clearance, Clarence?
Roger, Roger. I don't think we'll have a clearance problem there. Clarence.
Okay. Then I'm going to extend the top and then just mirror it to the other side.
Mm-hmm. That's the plan.
Okay. That's the plan, Stan. That's the bracket to rule them all. The one bracket to find them. The one bracket to bring them all. And the darkness behind it. I'm not even on my wisdom teeth pain meds anymore, and I'm still like this. So handy. Not to be annoying, but we are giving away one of these over on Instagram. Link below. All right, so we're doing a light check now. We got our lights in.
Parking light.
Parking light, yeah, parking light, parking light. Yep, yep.
Left turn.
It's there, it's flashing, but it's fast. Same for the right.
Yeah. And brake light.
Yep. We don't have a center brake light. That's okay. Actually,
Or is that first?
yeah, it's reverse. Yep, you got it.
Okay.
So the turn signals are gonna flash quickly because you know the front turn signal is wired up yet, so you need pigtails. But we'll have rear turn signals, rear brakes, we'll have reverse. And we have tag lights too, they work.
Yeah, we got
Look at that. You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready?
Ready.
Are you guys ready? Let's go.
What do you think?
It's fun. I'd like a seat belt
Yeah.
Yeah.
and an alignment, but yeah, I mean it definitely turns in quick. It feels really solid. We got a little bit of tuning to do on the engine at full throttle.
All right, this is the coolest car I've ever built. It drives, okay, we don't have it aligned right now. We did clearance tires finally. It's rattly as hell because, well, there's things that need to be tied down better and adjusted, but it just drives so well even though it's not aligned right now. It's crazy, I don't understand.
lights on, and the car didn't want to start again, and then when it did want to start again, the battery was low.
Well, you'll have that. There's no such thing as a first drive without being stranded on the side of the road. It's a good thing we're doing this too, because now we can think about the other things that we have forgotten along the way. Like, I was just telling Tony, I never checked the gear oil on it. I don't know what's in it or not in it.
Well, I think we would be sitting along the road back there if there was nothing in it.
That's what I was thinking. When we were driving the car, I was like, Logan, this rattling and stuff, I hope that's not anything with the transmission. Because at one point, when I spun around here, I was going slow, and I was going to go in the first, and it like wouldn't go, like it wouldn't even find first.
Yeah.
I don't know if the cables need adjusted or what,
Right.
but then I went the second, and kind of wiggled around, went back and went in, so.
Yeah.
All little things. We have a shift kit to put on too that Ben sent us.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
Ben Auto Design sent us his own custom made short shifter. He makes them for GT3 race cars. So it's probably gonna be pretty sweet.
Appropriate for this build.
Yes, exactly.